morning, students. Today we are going to learn about atoms and molecules. Have you heard this word already? Okay. Matter is made up of tiny particles, right? This is you studied well. So, matter is made up of tiny particles is called atoms. Do you ask me the question? Miss, you said no, everything around us is matter. Yes, everything around us is matter. These matter is made up of some tiny particles. These are called atoms. If all matter has atoms, then why one substance different from the other? You ask me, right? Okay. Because different materials have different types of molecules. What is molecule? It is nothing, a group of atoms stuck together, right? The smallest particle of a pure chemical substances that still retains its composition and chemical properties is called molecules. So, two or more atoms combine together to form molecules. Now, in this class, we should clear about atoms and the molecules. Look at the picture. He was a Greek philosopher named Democritus, came up with the idea of atom. Atom, it comes from the Greek word atomus, which means indivisible. So, according to Democritus, anything which can be divided up to the stage when it reaches atoms, atom is the smallest indivisible unit. Nothing can be divided yet further atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of all. Look at the picture, everything in the world. Example, tower, book, bag, the chair. These are non-living things. These are around us is made up of atoms. In your biology, you must study that cell is the smallest living unit. Right now, I am saying that atom is the smallest unit. Cell is the smallest unit. These cells further made up of atoms. Look at the next picture. Plant, dog, human. These are living things. So, living or non-living things, that is not a matter. When these all the matters are made up of atoms. When atoms or more than two atoms are combined together to form molecules. These atoms also combine similar atoms or can combine different atoms. So, combination of atoms is known as molecules. I explain you another example. Do you know that the water which we drink contains hydrogen and oxygen? Let us learn about oxygen gas is made up of oxygen molecules. Each oxygen molecule has two oxygen atoms. Substance whose molecules are made up of only one type of atoms are called elements. But why is water different from oxygen gas? That's because each molecule of water is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Molecules like water, which are made up of more than one type of atoms, are called compounds. I think in your 6th standard, did you study this? I think water means H2O, right? That symbol is H2O. Two hydrogen atom, one oxygen atom. So two different types of atoms are combined to form the water. So the water is a compound. It has different kinds of molecules. So matter is made up of atoms. So what did we see in the class? Atoms are smallest unit of matter. Atoms combine together to form molecules. Molecules of elements are combine the same kinds of atoms. Molecules of compounds are combine different kinds of atoms. So, The atoms are the tiniest particles of all the matter. Now, do this worksheet in your rough note. Thank you, students.